freedom over we. And before I be a slave, I going be buried my grave and going home to my God and be free. Happy Gullah Geechee Nation. Cultural Heritage Awareness Month. Oh, I thank God for all of who we be. Family, this year the Queen quit. I'm glad that I honor to tune in for take this year journey with me. Now lately, honor yet me, I still cry out right here in this land of the Gullah Geechee about the same thing, kid or them. Now some of 100 children read about them called Jimmy. It say right here, liberty, liberty, liberty. Oh, 100 children, if 100 not yet about this your thing, stop your this evening as the sun is going down. Say where we ancestors them been a beat the drum and the what been a going round. See, time for we stand for who we be. We going to take back we liberty. This your day, as we launch off this your weekend on celebration of who we be, 100 children. But taught them not robbery for bringing you to the site of the Stone of Rebellion. This year the place that plenty of 100 children who study we story, then get about, that y'all are study about, especially in the legacy of Igbo land, will be edited by me. When y'all hear about the Gullah War, these children don't try to take the thing from the book, but they ain't give credit we do. Oh, that the Yusuf and Clive in the one what took them down in legacy of Igbo land and too. Ain't nobody else for that. Better call them no Gullah warrior. Look at that thing real closely. They better call them the Seminole War. Cause they ain't want Hunter for no. Who been a fight? Been a we. When Hunter to do, you want study and things like that, research for true like I been to do. And still a do. Then you would know the thing was the truth. That people say, ain't hardly no Indian day in this your war. These the Africans. Them African, the we, the Gullah Geechee. Now, for all 100 children ain't know where I be. I on the border of Hollywood, Ravenel, South Kakalaki. Right here, where this your marker be. On the King Highway, where Jimmy and that other Angolan man, that's the first place you get the word Gullah from. They're from Angola. Gullah Jack is from Angola. That's the first way Gullah get used. And I say for no other rest of place till way later, Angola are there around. And later when you watch Gullah Geechee TV, if you ain't done subscribe, just subscribe to GullahGeechee.tv. GullahGeechee. Ain't no I in Geechee for the week. GullahGeechee.tv. Subscribe there for free, everybody. Because we got the video coming on by Dr. Terrell. To let you know more about who the Gullah be and where it first come from. And end up in all the other nations in the motherland, you see. We just finished a crack we teeth but that art, the Gullah Geechee artistry at CFC during this Gullah Moja weekend, yeah. But every day, we be who we be. Still a stand up like kid or them for liberty. So, for all the members of the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, if you ain't done join we, go to GullahGeechee.net or go to GullahGeecheeland.com. GullahGeecheeland.com and pass that word around to the children, to the rest of people. For join we. Because we right now today have to take a stand. Because the town of Ravenel, the vote, they done get one reading through the plan and vote. We done tell them, and plenty other people been to the meeting, tell them, say, don't let no destruction men come near the Call Interpretive Center. Don't let them build up all a bunch of house and things on the quick show, because that thing's sacred to we. Because this part of we legacy for Be Free. We let them know, say, we ain't want that thing going in the quick show. And then, pile up the water and things like that. So I need you for stand up with we. Not just read book for who he be, but stand up truly with the Gullah Geechee. Still fighting for we liberty. Still fighting for be free. That is way we honor our ancestors. Because we work together children, and you don't get weary. The great camp meeting in the promised land. When they meet together in the bush arbor, in the brush arbor, right here, and plan out that thing for the Stone of Rebellion. They make it drum. They make it banner. They're gone marching, beating the drum. And they say, they yell it in, mile down the way, saying, liberty, liberty, liberty. So even the Sade, that's still the what we to fight for you. Yet what I say? We still a fight for we land, we legacy, we liberty. And for all of we, be free. Wanna think free, wanna be free. Drum this your month. Drum for who wanna be. Shout this your month. Shout for who wanna be. Pray for the Gullah Geechee family. Hold upon your line. Stay strong, everybody. Oh, because we going to stand. God bless all 100 children that know who honor to be. You know who they should be. Queen Quet, head upon the body of the Gullah Geechee nation. We got to tell the tongue of Ravenel, don't let them annex. Don't do more and more annexation. Leave that thing alone and help protect the sacred ground in the Gullah Geechee nation. Shout on, children. Beat your drum. Shout on, children. Beat your drum. And tell me and want we for drum, you see. Because the more you drum, the more you beat out liberty. Yeah. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom. Oh, freedom over me. And before I be a slave, I going to be bury my grave and going home to my God and be free. Because I be Gullah Geechee. I free. Thank God for make me who I be. We be Gullah Geechee anointed people.